Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
And that to the call. I should start talk. A nighty me have on. You want to see me call Uber fast in a nighty. I run out. Yes, when me reach, me see the big police van. I pull up. The taxi don't ever stop. Me skip out of the taxi. Me just flip out like a ninja out of the taxi. And when time go so the man at the car and me show the police them the man. Me. Cause I don't know the man now. But when me look, we are knock the door. We are in the buzzer. And she come. I see the man at the car. I see one man and the car a shake so. I'm turn to the officer and say, that man look daddy. And when time I point, the man took off. And the police them took off behind him. Why European man. So the blood clap me for make sure get. I should never get raped. The man tried to rape her. Don't got nothing to fucking do with me. But I was there.
Them hold him, Tanya, they hold him yet?
Yes, they hold him. And they're going to court for it.
Nice.
So how the fuck me for make man that get raped?
Which is some people would have never look at him and say, oh yeah, 27 years, this year, that, them name that look.
Me say me flip. Destiny, me flip up, me flip. Me go and bad all the police if you calm me down. I was there for her.
So when she put up on PR status now make people come.
Let me tell you what the problem with Amanda. Amanda wants to come back home. Amanda wants to call her. No. You have your life now.
Yes, which is right. You're 20.
You have to fight it and see how life is not easy. When you were in my home, me I wash, me I cook, me I look after you. I need my attention to go to the other little young ones now. But
yeah, that is true.
I me still go clean her house. I me carry her dinner or send her dinner go give her. Same way. She still get her dinner. But I just tell her that she have to live on her own now.
Yeah.
Because she's a big woman. She's not a young girl.
Big woman. Because I never know so she's 27.
She's 27 years old. So me now.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Oh me now. For make. Man that get raped. And I was there. Through it all. My shoulder she have to cry on. When Amanda said she outgrew, I outgrew Amanda. Because Amanda needs to be an adult now.
When she put on fear Instagram status make people have things to say about you now. Say it's not a good mother.
It me I look for. Wait. Me don't know what them call is not a good mother. Wait there, me I come there. So it now them go take off. Oh, Tanya is a bad mother. Tanya is a bad mother.
They say they on our page, my love. She take it down?
Our page me I look for come I block her.
You do?
Yes, I block her. Me look and see. Sure. Me I come. Yes, I block her. Okay, see my find it. I see it, yeah.
Some genuine advice on this.
Listen to it.
Anyone that knows me knows that I have epilepsy, and my family knows the real reason why I have epilepsy. And only recently I told my friends the real reason why I have epilepsy. I have epilepsy because I used to live with a family member who was supposed to care for me. And this family member put me through so much physical abuse.
Here there.
And emotional abuse to the point that I got epilepsy. Now, epilepsy has affected my life greatly, and I don't really talk about it, but it has. Like, there's certain things that I can't watch, certain foods that I can't eat.
May I go up on TikTok too?
It increases my chances of epilepsy and also hormone imbalance as well. So
okay, wait there. Let me see.
No, Tana, she play other video.
Alright, let me go up on TikTok. Wait. Let me search feed on TikTok. How are you searching there? Sure. I don't know if you use TikTok, you know.
Yes, yeah, you're logging at TikTok.
Yeah.
Search for your name. Click up at the top.
Age.
Hey guys.
Search.
Here is how for all future pieces.
Oh, me know what she spell it.
So she tell her say she pick up on her own now. She tell us she had to start them something there. Your daughter do.
Yeah, there, let me search for it, cause I don't know how she put it on.
Somebody will say that on TikTok. What's your name?
What's your name on TikTok? Because you see,
so, hi guys, I've been thinking, and I want some genuine advice on this.
Somebody tag our TikTok blood clot name.
No.
Cause me don't know. Oh yes, we find her, yeah.
So, I've been.
So the part. Wait.
I've been having a long week. I just want to come on here and just discuss about the appalling racism and microaggression.
Oh, me don't want to hear about no racistness. Wait there. Wait, may I look for it?
Maybe not on TikTok.
Me not see it now.
So, hello guys.
Wait, may I look for it?
Because I caught COVID. And because I have on the
woman now give her daughter TikTok.
My COVID is like worse. I had to go into hospital and I had to get some severe treatment. But I'm making this video because I want to open up a discussion and a dialogue. And I will be talking about a personal moment in my life to open up this discussion.
Of course, lady Ann. Them not cut her off. I cut her off.
Family.
Anybody will interrupt my peace, you know. I cut them off, you know. Me not have no time, you know, for the foolishness, you know. Me can't find it. Me don't know which one, because me not see it. She just look like she take it down. She take down that one there. Because me not hear it. Me don't know where she take it down for. She should keep it.
So, I've been having a...
She take it down.
So, hello guys. I like to be on my... I don't know what people came up with.
She take it down. You know, they on it.
Get away.
People, you know, they on it. She take it down.
But if she at 27, you tell her to go on her own. She's supposed to go on her own. Probably she don't have to pay no rent.
She don't have to pay no rent or disability. She get her full pip. She get... Listen, the girl get more money than blood clot me. Are the same one I play? Wait there. Which one? The one where she said she catch COVID? I'll play it back.
I've been having a long week.
Maybe it's that one.
Come on here and just discuss about
I could play it out and hear it too.
appalling racism and microaggression I have received this week in the medical field.
Oh, she talk about... I'm going to play one different one. Wait, I'm going to play one different one. Let me see that one.
And so I have been meaning to make a video on this situation, but
They said the one when she in the hospital, she talk about the hospital.
Oh, the one that she play about the hospital? I
Yeah, they
heard
did play one
play.
like that.
No, she not there hospital that one, yeah. See that we can't show no coming out nothing. I
No, one where she that talk about hospital, we that hear it, they did play it, they did play it.
see that?
Play the one that she talk about the hospital. Nobody show her name, don't show her name.
I've been having a long week. I just want
But
to
that one that she there in her house.
discuss about
No, she never in the hospital. She was that she that talk about something. She sitting at the hospital.
I have received this week in the medical field.
Another one day.
I'm really ill.
Well, I only the one on her Instagram.
Makes
Because she, me not see it.
like a crescent moon, and they get really sick, sticky. This blood disorder is called sickle cell.
The COVID and the hospital one.
Okay. Wait there. Let me search for it.
So, hello guys. This week I've been unwell because I caught COVID.
Okay.
Because I have on the
Maybe other one. Yeah.
issues, my COVID is like worse. I had to go into hospital and I had to get some severe treatment. But I'm making this video because I want to open up a discussion and a dialogue. And I will be talking about
It got my personal life
in
with.
my life to open up this discussion. What the discussion I want to talk about is Black Caribbean family, and the family and how people are treated, especially the power dynamics between the abusers and the victims. So I'm gonna start off by saying,
Alright, wait there. Make we hear that one.
Abuser. My mother verbally, emotionally.
Oh yes, feature it.
Hold on, Tana, one here.
And I've reached a point where I am kind of outgrowing my mother. I am growing up and I am leaving her.
And that is good.
She refuses to grow up and she's getting worse and worse.
Is
my mother
it?
will sit down and think of ways on how she can hurt her children.
Okay, Lexi.
It causes us a very significant amount of pain. And I'm going to give you an instance. My mother likes to subject her children to a lot of humiliation, abuse, and she allows people to talk down about her children. And the same people that she allows to talk down about her children are people that she cannot say one bad thing about their child. What I'm so angry about, I am angry
She ungrateful.
how my family likes to police my anger.
You hear she say?
My anger at my family and the years
Why?
of psychological abuse and verbal abuse and physical abuse that they subjected me to. It's reached the point where my little sister, who is going through her own abuse herself, likes to subjugate me to a lot of
Amanda, don't call Kara name because Kara is not like you.
Reactive abuse where I am reacting to the abuse that I'm being subjected to. This came from the fact is that somebody who abused me from the age of 13, where they were supposed to care for me, use me as an emotional punching bag, used to beat me up, scratch me, do all type of evil things to me, used to wake me up out of my sleep to physically assault me to the point that they gave me epilepsy. This person, while I was in hospital suffering from COVID, messaged me and
talk true, Lexi.
down on me. This person, who is a mother, might I add. And
my
aunt. Gloating to the fact that they gave me epilepsy and that they have almost crippled me in life. And I've decided that I'm going to take this person to court. And then my family was trying to tell me, oh, but you break apart the family if you do that. So because you want some sick semblance of peace, you're willing to overlook the hurt and pain and trauma I'm going through? No. So, hello guys.
So eat that. I eat that them over there play.
Well, and cut her off, Tanya, cut her off, because she talk one something me not like. She say, oh, you make like she make people are traffic, cause her kids them and stuff. But when she do that now, she don't know say people are gonna have things to say bad about you and them, which is the kids.
Exactly.
If she have something to say why